Hey guys, Tom here, showing you what I've done tonight. We have a presentation to do tomorrow in front of all our course mates and tutors with 20% of the modules, so I've been busy at work. I've rearranged some of the code, swapped out where some things were in which class, but I've also added all the models that I've been given. So here's some of the models that Corey's given me. I've rearranged them into some sort of Stonehenge type thing, I don't know. Alongside that we had the obelisk that we had from before. It was Ashley's creation. Also Ashley's Greek looking shrine. Added to that, the third building we have is Ashley's boat shrine. So it's a kind of an idea on a Viking longboat, so I place that down. Also we have this, Corey's Hellgate, which I think looks pretty cool. It's worth pointing out something that I've done here. So now, previously the condition for this placer being destroyed was any key down, so you couldn't do this, you couldn't move the camera or rotate the camera whilst trying to place a building down, but now you can, so it's a lot more robust. The key to get rid of this is escape, which makes more sense. Also, what I've done is I've added to comma and full stop a rotation thing, so you can rotate this however you want. So I can put that down like that. So that's Corey's Hellgate. And then finally, Corey's also made a longhouse, and very Viking-y, very Norse. So I can rotate that, I can pop it down, and that will be built. So that's that. What have I done next? So next, Tom Phillips had done some work on GUIs. I've implemented that. So if you click on any of these now, you can see you've got a little GUI in the top left, and this shows information about the object you've clicked on. Its name, its HP. So I've reworked name and HP into the inheritance structure of buildings, so they each have their own HP and name. Obviously nothing can attack this to reduce the HP, so what I've done is I've bound the delete key to remove 50 of points of health. So if I hammer the delete, you can see the longhouse's HP has been reduced quite drastically. If you get to 0, nothing happens. I haven't included that in yet, but there we are. So that's that done. Finally, very finally, Ashley has added to my washes Viking. So if I hit this, I get a Viking with head and arms coming out from there, which is pretty cool. So that's where we're at. I think tomorrow for our presentation we're in a pretty strong point. So I hope it all goes well for everyone, and that's where we're at.